Okay, so I'm going to install Fender flares on a 99 Ford F350. Comes with a packaging here. So what you wanna do? On the package, it have already pre-assigned kit, so you need the one with the lots of bolts, washers, and the nuts. So let's open this kit. So we need to install this one first in every single bolt right there. So it looks like it's like a decorative kind of. So just install it to like everywhere. So taking the T30 and screw it in. It also have washers and all this stuff, but if they're all tight, then I'm not going to install this. So just go and every single hole, just screw it in. Yeah, so it's already very snag. Let's do a few more. So I was just installing the bolts on the other flare, and I came up with the problem that some of those bolts is loose. So I decided to put actually bolts and washers on all of them. So just to make sure, because few of them is loose. So if it's loose now, then it will be loose again. So T30 and a socket number 13. Oops. Socket number 13. Let's just tie them up. So after you tie them all, then you need to put that rubber piece. It's basically it's molding. So you're putting all over the edge, and it have also the tape inside of it. You pull it so it's like sticking up. So it also came with like a manual of how to install it also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it's for the front, and the rest of it is for the rears. So it's pretty straight forward. So I will do the front first and then the rear. But first of all, I want to install those bolts and washers on every single flare, and then we will go and work on a installation on the vehicle then. All bolts. So I will almost like the rubber molding. So this is how you install the rubber molding. So there is a tape, just pull on it. So and just install all on the side there. So it will take a little time. So install on the edges and then pull the red thing and kind of push it better, and you're gonna be good to go. Okay, so let's cut it somewhere here. so it's kind of taking time to put this molding in. The lip here is kind of narrow. I don't know, they were supposed to come with a little bit bigger lip because it's coming off in places. It's just so hard to install it in some places. So there is a red one. Just keep pulling it, then firmly push on it again. Pull it more. Push it. But don't think that it will hold on 100% because it's not. It's a very weak. But I think after it will sit on the truck for a little bit, then it will sit good. Just like this, just like this. See it coming off. So we need to set it again inside that lip. Okay, so good to go. Let's install on the car now, truck. Let's install the front fender flare. The front one is gonna be the easiest one. So you're taking the 7mm and there is a 3, basically it's a 3 bolts, I mean 3 kind of screw kind of bolts. I got to take a paint off of it. So let's check the rubber thingy. Okay, good. So we're going to install the where the exactly three bolts. It's kind of aligned. Let's install the first bolt and then align the rest of it. So just like this. Okay, and the last one is on the bottom, right there. So the front fender, it's easy to install. I have a feeling. So I need to do those two first, and then that one there. Okay, we're all set. So it goes good around the corners. Looking good. So now we need to install the bigger tires after it. So let's install the rear moldings. Rear flare fender. Okay, so you're taking a 13mm and you're holding the nut is behind it, and with 10 looks like this bolt was taking off like a long time ago. So after that, you have to take number 4 step. Number 4 step, it's those right here, have to mark it. It's a clips to put those bolts, or how do you call them. So step 4 and 5 now, because there is no bolt that holding on the edges, so you have to use those clips. So I guess they clips, so they clips like this, and then it goes, or if it goes here, I guess, probably. So we need the 4 of them. 3, 4. The 1, 2, 3, 4. With one person, it's kind of hard to install it, so I have a plan. So let's get it pre-installed. So it's supposed to be to screw in just like this. So what I will do, so it screws just like this. So plan is to install them first. It's coming off. So let's install them kind of. And then when we'll do it here, just snap them. I think it will work. Install the first one. Let's secure the bottom piece. I hate this rubber piece. Whew, it takes kind of effort to put it on the other side. usually big efforts paid off. So now I'm going to install the couple more clips. My head is probably on the way, but let's see. Okay. And one more clip is, I'm gonna install the normal, like a self tapper, because it looks to me kind of, I don't know, that it will come out. Yeah, those clips look joke to me. So let's install one more right here. Yeah, this one is like totally loose. And we're all set. Just like this.